Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Getfully. Today we're gonna see the most awaiting upcoming phones within these 2 months. There are plenty of phones are coming, but I have chosen top 5. Let's see them quickly. The first one is Vivo IQ Neo 3, which comes along with Android 10, and the processor is Snapdragon 865 octa-core processor along with 6 GB of RAM. While talking about the display, which comes along with 6.57 inches Super AMOLED display with a 402 ppi and 144 Hz refreshment rate. That's pretty well. 48 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel triple primary cameras with LED flash. The selfie camera is 16 megapixel. And while talking about the battery, it comes along with 4500 mAh super flash charging 2.0 and USB Type-C port. The expected price is 29,000 and we expected to launch in May 2020. The second one is Redmi Note 9, which comes along with Android 10, and the processor is MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core processor with 3 GB of RAM. The display is 6.53 inches IPS LCD display with 395 ppi. The camera is 48 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel quad primary cameras with LED flash, and the selfie camera is 13 megapixel. The battery comes with 5020 mAh with flash charging along with USB Type-C port. The expected price is 15,000 and expected to launch in the May 2020. And the third one is Vivo V90, which comes along with Android 10, and the processor is Snapdragon 712 with octa-core processor, comes along with 8 GB of RAM. While talking about the display, which comes with 6.44 inches Super AMOLED display with 409 ppi, and the camera is 48 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel quad primary cameras with LED flash, and the front camera is 32 plus 8 megapixel powerful camera, and the battery is 4500 mAh and flash charging 2.0 is available with USB-C port. And the expected price is 26,000, which gonna be launched in May 2020. And the fourth one is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, which comes along with Android 10, and the processor is Snapdragon 765G octa-core processor along with 4 GB of RAM, and the display is 6.7 IPS LCD display with along with 393 ppi. While talking about the camera, which comes along with 48 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel quad camera with LED flash, 20 megapixel of front camera is there, and the battery is 5000 mAh huge battery with flash charging and with USB Type-C. The expected price is 13,000 and expected to launch in the May 2020. And the final one is Honor 9X Pro. The key specs of that, which comes along with Android 9 Pie, and the processor is high silicon Kirin octa-core processor with 8 GB of RAM, and the display is 6.59 inches IPS LCD display along with 391 ppi. The camera is 48 plus 8 plus 2 triple camera with LED flash, the 16 megapixels of front camera available, and the battery is 4000 mAh battery. USB Type-C port is available. There is no flash charge, and there is 128 GB inbuilt is available, expandable up to 512 GB. The expected price is 23,000 and which is gonna be expected in May last of the 2020. So that's it guys, I have explained the top 5 mobile phones coming to India within these 2 months. If you like the video, just like, share, subscribe my channel along with bell button. Thank you, thanks a lot.